Alright, so looking at LPT here, and I just noticed this little thing over here, 52-week range. This thing was up to $100 in the last 52 weeks. Wow. I mean, I never noticed this little gauge over here. You can see that it wicked up to 1648 on the day with this big ass wick here, all the way up to the 3618 up there. So yeah, I learn something new every day. So I'll start looking at that more often. But yeah, with that being said, you can see that it bounced on the point 0.5 here for a little bit, bounced at the 786, and it just took off, and it wicked all the way up here to the 3618. So what to look for on LPT? If it keeps going up, the 2618 is your next stop for about 11, almost 12% move to 1395 at the 2618. And then the 3618 up here for about a total of 30% move up here to 1623. So we'll have to wait and see if it gets back up there. But yeah, the stock RSI is going vertical here. Let's look at the Heikin-Ashi candles. It's the first green candle, so it depends on where this one closes at. If it sells all the way back off, then we'll have to wait and see. But I don't think it will, because this thing doesn't really have big ass green wicks everywhere. Well, one more thing I wanted to point out before we stop talking about this LPT coin. Up here where it got stuck at. I kind of did this in the last video on EOS. It's interesting to do if you draw a vertical line here, and you zoom out just to see why it got stuck where it did. So it wicked all the way up here to the support and resistance line. You can see that it was support all back here for all these weeks, and now we're under it and we're back up at it again, and it wicked perfectly to it almost. So yeah, I mean, these things are there for a reason, I guess, and people apparently are watching that resistance level there, and they knew to get out. So yeah, without saying too much, just watch those couple of prices as it moves up. If it pulls back at some point, I'll try to look at it again and see where it's possibly going to fall back down to. Like I said, there's really no point in doing it right now. It's having a nice week. It's having a nice day. And yeah, I'll leave it at that. So, not financial advice, for entertainment purposes only. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.